Alright, hello everybody. Today we will be doing an instructional video on how to navigate the Library and Information Science source database for the USMLIS students. That's the University of Southern Mississippi Library and Information Science students. And we're going to be searching for an article to help with a research paper. This will be a hypothetical research paper about library services and interlibrary loans. We will have 6 total steps with a few additional steps in between each. So our first step is to go to the LIS 491 course tab, and that is this right here. And then after we get there, step 1A would be to navigate to the Library Resources tab at the bottom left hand of the toolbar. So that's this right here. So now that we're in the Library and Information Resource tab, we're going to look for the Library and Information Science databases. And that's this section right in here. So for step 1B, now that we've navigated to the Library and Information Science databases section, we're going to find the Library and Information Science source link, and that's just this right here at the very top. And that pulls up the EBSCO host. So usually you're going to sign into the database with your USM username and password. So for step 3, now that we're done with step 2 of getting into the EBSCO host, we're going to type in the search bar library services. And then we're going to type in the AND section, interlibrary loans. Interlibrary loans. Okay, and now that we have step 3 done, we're moving on to step 4, and we're going to narrow our search field down according to preference. So I usually go and I click full text, and I like doing the publication date between 2010 and 2024. I like it to be a PDF full text because it's usually easier to download and print. And then you go and click search. So that's just your beginning section for narrowing your search. So now that we see how many search results we have is 175, we go and we want to narrow it down even further. So I usually like academic journals, and then you can go to language and you click English if that's the primary language that you speak. And it has our refined search completed. So that was step 5, is just further refining the search. So now that we have that all done, we can go on to step 6, which is our final step, and we can find a article that seems good. So to do that, we know that we want an article that has to do with library services and it has to do with interlibrary loan. So here on the subjects tab, under this one, we read academic libraries, application software, information retrieval, interlibrary loans, that's one thing we're looking for. And then we see services is highlighted, public library services. And so we can click into this text now that we feel that it is the best for our research paper. And now we can see how we want to utilize this. So this is step 6A. So you just go to the side panel, and here on the section that looks like a highlighted piece of paper, you can click that and it'll show you citation formats. Usually you're going to be using APA 7th edition, which is the best, and that'll help you just keep track of your references. And you can go through the paper, you can see full text contents and illustrations. You could also see over here on the right hand side your Google Drive, the cloud. You can print it out, email, a whole bunch of things that you can do. And basically that is how you navigate the Library and Information Science source database. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.